In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bar graph inside of Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so our bar graph is useful for comparing different categories such as sales, expenses, students, products, or even website traffic. Now, what I'm first going to do is put in some data. So I've got some data that I created earlier. I'm just going to paste it in here. So I've got months and sales. Now I'm just going to format this a little bit better. So I'm going to left align. Then from here, you want to go ahead and select your data. So go ahead and select it and then click onto insert and then choose the chart option. Now from here to the right, it's going to say chart type. We want to change that to a bar graph. So if I scroll down a bit, I've got a few different graphs here. So we've got a bar chart, a stacked bar chart, or 100% stacked bar chart. I'm just going to keep it simple and choose a bar chart. So you can see our sales versus the month. So January was probably our weakest month. April was the better month. So it just shows you here in a more visual way of how, say for this example here, your sales are going in the last 5 months. Also, you can set it up so we can go ahead and customize this. We can customize the chart style. So we've got the background color, font, the chart border. We got chart and axes, so we can give this chart title. We can change the text here. We can change the font, make it bold, unbold. And yeah, there's a lot of customization you can do inside of this. And also you can move this around inside of Google Sheets. You can make it smaller or larger, depending of how you want it to look.